Hi, my name's Dot. I'm just here at Evolution Power Tools HQ, and we are going to give this area a little bit of a refurb. The work has already been started. You can already tell how much work's gone into this space. Before, it was a very dingy, dark office. There was a big wall going straight through the space and basically stopping all the sunlight from coming in. The carpet was stained. It was basically stuck in the 90s. So everything has been completely done. There's new electrical points, a wall's completely gone down, and as you can see, new carpet, new furniture, and these glass panels all been added. The Evolution Paddles have invited me to come and start giving it a little bit of a refresh. And the reason for this is their brand new logo has just been revealed, and we're going to use that to put on some really great stuff on the back wall and a few other spaces around, which I'm just about to show you. So with this direct consumer wall, we want to showcase all of the big milestones for the website across Europe and the UK, as well as stuff that the Amazon team have been doing. So Evolution Power Tools have tasked me to create something that is not only modular, but that can be added to, something scalable over time. So what I thought about was doing 3 shelves, all at different heights, and also with a plaque that moves across. I'm currently sat in the finance department. Before, this was a very dark little area of the whole office, but now, as you can see, it's a lot more brighter and open. We're going to have a Evolution blue screw logo here, and what we're going to do is we're going to use metal screws. The reason for this is while Evolution Power Tools are very famous for cutting lots of materials, it also includes metal. So I wanted to incorporate a little bit of metal here to kind of show the breadth of all the materials that Evolution Power Tools can go through. This is one of my favourite rooms, mainly just because of the size. As you can see, there's a big plain blank wall behind me, but there's going to be a TV on the other wall. So I wondered what we could do with this behind me. What we've decided is, like I said, Evolution Power Tools very good at cutting all sorts of materials. So let's champion the blades. We've got 9 wooden frames to go behind me, all which can house a blade from the Evolution range. So we've just seen the bigger meteor, and this one's a slightly smaller one. There's a wall behind me that needs a little something. So what we've decided to do is create a light up sign. Yes, a light up. It's going to look really cool. It's going to say "Build What Matters," which is the slogan for the new branding. So that's the plan. Let's see if we can get this all done in 2 days.
So this is our D2C timeline, totally made out of Evolution Power Tools. What I like the most is we've used the brand new branding with the 45-degree cut on these milestones. These are all made out of plywood and we've stuck on the milestone per one. These are completely modular, you can move them around, but there's also space for some awards that have been won. So now we are looking at the light up sign that we have in one of the spare meeting rooms. I wanted something that was a bit of a showstopper and would be really lovely when people are having a little meeting in here. We have a brand new slogan with the branding, and it really spoke to me, not only because it matters, but also because I thought it'd be a really inspirational piece to have in this room. So we've got Build What Matters, and it lights up. We've got OSB on the background while we're using plywood in front. So this is probably one of my favourite projects, mainly because it just turned out so much better than I expected. These are box frames made for the Evolution blade saws. We made these using these blades in a miter saw. Because Evolution sells all types of blades to cut lots of different materials in lots of different sizes, I wanted these to be able to be moved around. At the moment what you're seeing is a bunch of 355s, but actually they have a range starting at as little as 165 size, so I thought that they could have a different type of blade depending on how they feel. This is our screw logo. This is around 750 metal screws that have been put into this. What we did is we got the full piece of plywood, and then using a computer program we worked out exactly where every single dot would have to go to spell out this logo, and then individually drilled every single screw using a Evolution power tool impact driver. So using the impact driver, we were able to use the 5 amp battery and it never ran out. So this was all done for the brand new Evolution branding. We're going to say goodbye to the old logo and hello to the brand new logo. This has been such a fantastic renovation. These 4 projects have totally changed the space. I have been Dot, aka The Faffing Nest. You can find me on Instagram at The Faffing Nest.